Welcome back, guys. Welcome to episode 2 of Growing Small Accounts. In this episode, I'm going to try to be a lot quicker. I don't want videos on this series to exceed 5 minutes. So, I'm going to jump straight into the analysis and the trade review and prove that I took it on a live account and detailed follow up on the trade, but I won't be as elaborate as I was in the first video. So let's get straight into it. So this is the daily time frame. Of course, it's a top-down analysis. You don't just start doing analysis on the 5 minute time frame or on the 15 minute time frame or 1 minute time frame because you feel you want to take a trade. No, you need to understand the flow of the market from the high places, which means the higher time frames. So we have this nice liquidity grab, which is a proof that the market is about to change its direction to the upside. So which means I'm bullish on this market with this understanding. So the market took off this liquidity above these highs, change character right there, and then we trace to hunt for this daily order block right here. It was the first video I would have labeled it or outlined it, but as you are hearing me explain, you just simply know that I could have easily put order block, so you know that this order block, right? All right, let's go. So remember we're on the daily, so the market took off from this point. Of course, this is our drawn liquidity we're expecting since we just had a change of character to the upside on the daily time frame. So we as retail traders, we need to be looking for small entries, like small risk entries. All right, we need to ascertain the best possible risk to reward ratio, because what are we dealing with here? A $20 account. Whether $20 account or not, we are all retail traders, even if we are trading on a $100,000 account, because the market makers are trading and moving this market with billions of dollars. So you want to go down to the lower time frames to take your entries. So the moment we had the market still revolving around this area, what do we want to do? We want to scale down to small time frames. And note, I don't like to bug your head with a lot of time frames. In my videos, I'm going to be using just the daily, the H1, and maybe M15, but basically M5 to show you the entries. I don't want to, like I explained and I've always said, this is highly technical. It is highly technical. I'm not even going to lie or pretend that it's easy. It is highly technical, so you need to really be skilled to understand. So I don't want to confuse anyone watching this video. I want to make it as simple as possible. So when you see it, you're going to be like, oh yeah, it's simple, so that you can understand that there is hope for you to learn. All right, I won't want to discourage anybody. It's easy. When you give it time, dedication, and focus, you can do it as well. You can proofread this market analysis, this charts really easy from any time frame. You can know what the market is about to do at any time. And if I can do it on a $20 account, you can do it on a $10 account. If I could do it on a $12 account, you could do it on a $6 account. It is very, very possible. All right, let's go on. So off to the 1 hour time frame. So this is what we have. The market's making this smaller time frame, H1, change of character again, taking up liquidity, the same concept as seen on the higher time frame. This is exactly the same concept. No difference, guys. No difference. Liquidity taking off here, change of character, coming down to hunt for this order block. And what are we doing? We want to know what is going on inside here. We want to know the macro fundamentals. And we'll go straight to the M5. I don't want to bug your head or make it more confusing. Let's just go straight to M5. So here we are. So what did I see? There's something called time and price, but I won't go into all that. But what's the time of the day? 8:10. Just put it somewhere in your jotter. London session, right? The first hour into London session. I won't go into all that, but it's part of the analysis. Like I said, it's complex. So let's just leave that aside, the fundamental aspects. Some of you will be wondering, fundamentals is synthetic. Oh, yeah, little things make the difference. Little things make the difference. So exactly same thing. You see this in our point of interest. And what do we have? The moment the market tapped in here, I got in on the um, on a sweet RR of 1 to 11, almost 1 to 12, and hopped in here with my stop loss here and went on a ride. It was over a day's journey, but at the end of the day, we got to our take profit. I left the market here. I left the market here, as you can see in the video, because it was a small account. I needed to close some positions so that I could add to the balance, add to my margin call, right? So that I could do more wonders. But I'm not going to show you where that account stops. But after the V25 trade you saw in the proof on the screen, the market really went far. But for this concept, remember in this playlist, I'm going to be showing you guys, the wonders, that could be achieved in just one trade. In just one trade. By the grace of God, there are going to be more episodes, more seasons. This is just season 1, episode 2. So by the grace of God, as God gives me strength, I'll make more videos. This is easy. I do it every day. All right. Once they set up, once the timing is right, not as if I just go into any market and try to perform it. It's not magic. I wait for the market opportunity to present itself and I strike. All right. So that's it. Stay blessed. See you in the next episode.